Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to share with you some effective home remedies to get rid of bed bugs. These remedies are natural and safe, so you can be sure that your family and pets are not exposed to harmful chemicals. 1. Lemon and eucalyptus. Another natural solution is to mix equal parts of lemon juice and eucalyptus oil. Apply this solution on the areas where you suspect the bed bugs to be present. The strong smell of these oils may discourage them from staying in your space. Remember to rinse it off thoroughly if you want the effectiveness to last. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only a delicious juice, but also has amazing bug-repelling properties. Apply pure aloe vera gel on your beds and other infested areas to get rid of bed bugs. It not only keeps you comfortable, but also helps in bed bug control. 3. Warm water and vinegar. Mix equal parts of warm water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray it all around your furniture, mattresses, and other places where bed bugs might hide. This mixture can help eliminate bed bugs by damaging their exoskeleton. 4. Boric acid. You can also use boric acid as a natural bed bug repellent. Apply a layer of boric acid on your clothes and linens to prevent bed bugs from transferring to your sleeping area. 5. Dishwashing. To get rid of adult bed bugs, soak your clothes in hot, soapy water. After that, wash them as usual. To get rid of nymphs, fill a bucket with water and add a few drops of dish soap. Dip a cloth into the solution and wipe the bugs off your furniture. Remember, if these remedies don't work, it's time to call a professional pest control service to solve the problem. Your health and well-being are important, so always make sure to follow the recommended methods for the safest results.